Moo. Moo. Pretty cool. Yeah, come on. I like that one. Hi. Hi. Did you know that the Ferrari 308 has been in production Ferrari. Why am I so stupid? Toot toot. Hi. During its lifespan. Hi, do you know the 2-liter turbo version? The 208 GTB Turbo. I messed this one up, but now you know. Glass reinforced plastic. Ferrari, the body of the Ferrari 308, and that's why they created the steel ones. Nobody wanted a plastic Ferrari. Did you know that in the first 2 years back then, but nobody wanted a plastic. Did you know that Ferrari I doubt, but that's wrong. Hi, got famous. Yes, it got famous. Did you know that people say the Ferrari 208? Well, it's wrong. Hi, did you know that the GTB Michelotto. Hi, did you know that this is... Hi, did you know that my name is Mark and I am Mr. 308. This channel is based on my Ferrari 308 GTSi from 1980. Now you know.